And 20 to 2024, it's the post-Orion or the actual effect of Orion in UPS. It record revenue cost, stability, and improved margins driven by the AI-based optimization and automation. So the overall impact for that is UPS adoption of Orion reduced cost, boosted efficiency, and established a scalable technology-driven logistic model with sustained profitability and global competitiveness. So you will expect here the financial statement of UPS. So as you can see here, this is figure 3. This is for the year 1995 to 1999, wherein I categorized it as pre-Orion because this is the result of operation before the application of Orion in their operation. So I called it steady revenue growth but limited profitability due to the rising cost. Of course, you are expected to have rising costs because we are investing in this artificial intelligence and the research development. So in 1995, we can see here that from 1995 our sales revenue presented by the yellow line. Actually, it's not bad because still there is an increment of the sales, the annual growth of the company. It shows still the growth every year. Like it's not material, like approximately it's like 10 to 15%, like an average of 15% increase of sales in every year. And then the cost of sales or operational expenses during the year as well, as mentioned earlier, of course, we are investing in AR&D, it is higher. And the gross margin also is a minimal increase. Actually, there was a decrease in 1997, year 1997. And it's all because of those investment in our R&D. Okay, let's go to the next slide. This is 2010 to 2014, which is the start of Orion, wherein Orion is already introduced in UPS. They are starting using the AI. So it indicates a strong sales growth with margin fluctuation as digital system were introduced. So let's see. The yellow line is for the sales revenue. So from 49,000, let's go back. I want to show you the previous sales. So imagine from 1999, let's focus on the figures here. We have 27,000 here. And then come to the next phase when Orion was introduced, it almost doubled the sales.